Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Up. Today I will show you how to change your profile picture on your SoundCloud account. A SoundCloud profile picture helps an artist establish their identity. Many artists use portraits of themselves, some however will use a band logo or album art. The standard SoundCloud profile pic size of 1000 by 1000 pixels gives plenty of room for various options. So let's not waste the time and see how it is done. First open the SoundCloud app. Here first you need to log in your account. Once you log in, you will see the home page of the SoundCloud. Then tap on the library option that you will find at the bottom of the page on the navigation bar right beside the search icon. Once you tap on it, you will see your profile picture at the top right corner right beside the upgrade. Tap on that and here you will see a pencil kind of icon right beside your profile picture. Tap on pencil icon. Once you tap on it, you will see your profile picture that has a camera icon above it. Tap on the camera icon. Once you tap on it, you will see a menu pop up where there you will see the options take photo, choose from library or delete profile image. Here you can choose the photo from library or you can directly take a photo. I am going to show you by choosing from library. Tap on choose from library and here you will see different images on your phone. Choose the image that you like the most. And here you can edit your photo. You can rotate it, you can zoom it, zoom out. Once you are satisfied with your photo, tap on the tick icon at the top right corner. Now tap on the save button that you will see at the top right corner. Once you tap on it, here you can see you have successfully changed your profile picture. Hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.